Hi friends, this is Rami from Rami's Life, and today I'm sharing with you guys my Stalogy A5 planner. I'm new to Stalogy, I'm learning, and the reason why I decided to do this video is because I've seen a lot of people that when I was looking into getting an Stalogy notebook or planner, I didn't know much about it. So I did a lot of research, and one young lady from Instagram, I watched her videos and her flips and all that stuff. And I went to I went to YouTube and I watched videos by, I believe it was SM Plans. She has a nice videos too with her Stalogy. Stalogy come in different sizes. I have an A5. I like the space that the A5 give me, but of course you can actually choose whatever size is your preference. They have bigger and smaller. This is not a Hobonichi. This is similar than the Hobonichi as far as is they laid out, but I would say more the pages, and it's kind of like a notebook style. But the Hobonichi has the calendar, and this one don't have a calendar. You have 3 pages. So without further ado, let's go ahead and show you my A5. I have some page flags here from where these babies are, from Cloth and Paper. And I have right here from Cloth and Paper my post-its. I got this from a store in Etsy, but I do not remember the name of the store. So I have a nice little 2021 calendar, like a whole laid out for the year, and I had these from Sesavi as well. This was a freebie that came with my prints or inserts from Sesavi. So I have, this is the first of the year, so this is what I have so far. So this is what I have written, and like I say, it's free for all. You have a blank laid out. You in here put whatever you want to put in here. I haven't written anything in here yet because I had stopped it because I wanted to do a video on how I'm using this. So this is what I have right here. I'm loving the whole free white pages that you can just write and pour yourself out and what are you planning to do for the day and whatnot. This was for Friday of the 8th. I didn't have much to add in here, but so my coffee is almost. I've been adding something called highs of the day, and to be honest, I didn't put nothing in here. I should have, and I don't remember what was the high for that day, but it's just something that actually get imprinted in my mind that I want to remember and I want to do. So it was on Sunday. That was a very lazy Sunday. Monday I was off due to migraine. So not a lot of highs. So that's that for that. I didn't write anything on Tuesday. It was not much to do. Wednesday, not much to do. All I know is I've been spending money like crazy, and I've been writing my spending, like how much I pay for bills on the house, and where's it at? Like right here, I have like how much I pay for spent on the day for whatever reason. So I've been trying to keep those somehow together. So we are on Tuesday and Thursday. So I had to stop the video really quick. I got a phone call. It was very important. So we are on Friday the 15th for tomorrow. So because I haven't been planning like I need to or using it, because I wanted to actually use the Stalogy and show you guys how I use it, and I want to stick with it. I really enjoy the freedom. I really enjoy how I have things set up. Let me just show you. For example, I have these beautiful little cards from Paper Sea. what is it? Paper, dear God. Pretty Paper Seat. Oh, can you think that I can remember? These are, she has a shop in Etsy. Very nice young lady. Been corresponding with her. She's very nice. So I always put up pictures of my babies on their birth month that I can put a thought of their birth. In this case, my big old baby is gonna be 17. So I have a picture of him and he's gonna be 17. And I mark in here my paydays and whatnot. And the small card calendars are from Pretty Paper Seat as well. This is for also for my little big man right here, my 8-year-old. And he was cold when he took this picture and he didn't want to take his jacket off, but we're gonna leave it alone. So look at how pretty this is. It's just, I think it's beautiful to have these little notes and you just, you know, keep that in mind. So one thing that I'm trying to invest my time is the highs of the day. So I'm gonna think that we're gonna do as a pattern. I'm gonna use this right here. Okay, so right here I'm going to put in here A. Cool. So GLIA 44. That is a class that he needs to take, and I have to remember to tell him that he has to take that class because I won't be here to remind him. So to me, that's very important that he knows. And then I have an extra box in there in case something else I need to add in there. So highs of the day. So probably gonna use a pink again. I do not have the perfect handwriting, but you know what? This is what works for me. So, and these are free pages that you're just gonna put in there whatever you little heart desire. So I'm gonna put these little babies over here on the side. Okay, so okay, I'm starting remembering things. You see? I'll be remembering things. Okay. So these are things that I need to remember. They are important and they need to be done, you know, to at some point. So right here, we're gonna do these bubbles and put it there. What is the height of the day? So that is important. I be trying to use colors that they don't clash, but colors that go together. So I'll put that right here. Just kind of giving the pastel, the spring vibe. That's just me with the plant over there, all the stuff. So, you know. plan because life is a mess. So these are things that are part of my morning routine. So I'm going to actually add that in here. And then detoxing your body. So I've been wanting to keep doing that. So that's part of a morning routine and it's important. So let's see right here what else I need to do. No extracurriculars. Oh no. Band camp. Let me tell you something. When I was little, I used to do this, and I thought this was the coolest thing that you could ever do. And just create these little rectangular boxes. I mean, they're not perfect. They are a high holy mess. But you know what? I like it. It reminds me of my childhood. So, see right here. This to me is important because I don't have to fool with nobody, waking up nobody. So this is important to me. And I have an empty space here. So I'm trying to think what else that I normally add in here. So something that I need to do is review budget, set my days. That's including for my following days, and review meal planning. These are things that I would like to remember. They're not necessarily on my to-do. This is just something that I would like to remember, so we're gonna have it there. And I'm going to put this little water right here because your girl has to drink some water. You don't have to use none of this sticker crap. That's your preference. And that is for the 15th, which is Friday. So now that we are on the subject, okay, Monday is a holiday, so we got our 3-day week, a 3-day weekend. So let's see right here, Monday. And I'm very excited. It's not perfect, but we're gonna just do it like this. That I have to remember. Make yourself proud. I'm gonna put this right here because this is something I wanna remember. Make yourself proud. So today, what were the highs on my day? So we're gonna put it right here, even though I didn't have nothing. Highs of day. Oh my God. Oh, it's right here. I'm looking around everywhere being silly. Ow. this ruler. Okay. I didn't have nothing planned for that day, so this is what we have, and this is how I have my astrology set up, and this is how they work. I write notes as I go about things. Sometimes my oldest son really deep get on my nerves, so I put a little note in there. I love this boy, but today is not a good day for him. So just little stuff like that kind of keep me in mind. I wish I would have wrote something else in here to kind of keep me on the routine, but I know about things that are coming up. And I just put it right here. Keep in mind, as you can see right here, you can see what I wrote on the other side. And you can see what I wrote on the other side. It does leaks into your page. And I write a little hard. So if you write a little hard, it's going to be noticeable. So that's something to keep in mind. The pages are a little thin. They look like maybe 20 pounds page type of paper. I'm not sure what kind of paper they use, but for example, for my happy planner is a little thicker, so it don't bleed into or leak into the other page, into the other side of the page. So it's all, you know, it's all optional. If you really want to spend the money for this was not cheap. This was I bought it on sale for $20 some, but this is normally over $30. I bought it from Jet Pens. That's what it is. I probably will try a Hobonichi because, dude, I mean, come on, that's like the thing. Everybody likes their Hobonichi, but I do really enjoy using astrology. I enjoy setting it up. I enjoy doing it as I want to with my colors, with my stickers, and write down stuff. And it's good when I get up in the morning and I just open my astrology and see what I have for the day and what was my plan, and you know, it's good. And I bought this cover from Amazon. It's just like $10 cover just to keep it protected. I have my little sticky notes for things that I don't want to put on paper because they will be very temporary. So I have it right here, and I have my page flags and all that little cute stuff. So I just, you know, have it over there. Probably will keep all of these goodies from now on all together in this planner. I don't have much to flip on this planner yet, but probably next month I will do a flip that you guys can see how I have it set up all together. I have some things already in here that I have added myself personally, but it's not necessarily all done. So this is what we have so far, and I hope that you guys like it. My handwriting is not the best, but you know, I understand it, and this is where we are. All right then, so I'll let you guys go, that you can get back to your life, and I hope that you guys like my video. And if you remember, sharing is caring. Share this video, give it thumbs up. And you have any questions, please put the questions in the description box, and I'll be more than happy to actually reach out to you guys and just get the conversation going. Goodbye.